Hmm? Oh, I should get the other travel this one. So no, oops. Sorry, my head. I'm not taking that up. Why is this girl texting me to a friend text message? Ooh. Good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome. Look at my hands. One gone, one on. It's officially day one. Because yesterday was travel day, so we're not going to count that. We're going to say day one in Jamaica. And I'm indoctrinating Nala into Jamaican culture. So, what? Let's show your nails. Back up a little bit. There you go. She's trying to show her nails. It's kind of hard. Oh, there we go. There we go. She showed her nails. Look at her nails and look at mine. Isn't that something? But anyway, so if you know anything about the Caribbean, you know what this means? Obviously, we don't live out here. Neither does mommy. So this is Christmas Eve, right? And this is what we're doing. We're washing. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, and putting it back over here. So we're basically doing what we all grew up doing. We're washing the dishes. We had to take it all out and give them their Christmas wash. So Nala's over here helping me put it back. So yeah, so we're indoctrinating Nala into the, you know, part of her culture. That's why we're here, right? We're here for them to get into their culture, or this side of it. Oi! Oh, Ricky. This is what I hate when I'm here. Ricky, Nikki. Here now. Put them on for the top part. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. Ain't nothing much. I have to go back to Montego Bay today. I need my light. I'm going to put my light on. I have to go back to Montego Bay today because Tara never comes in today, so. That's another long day. Yesterday, once I get to editing these videos, uploading it, probably do some tomorrow.
Is it snowing?
Yeah. Oh, it's snowing.
I told her.
Oh, look. Tara just sent me this. It's snowing in Jersey. Oh, it's proper snowing too. Oh, wow. No, probably not. But they're probably going to have a rough takeoff too.
Better be east. Calm, going collected.
We're
going back.
They better be calm. They're probably going to have a rough takeoff too. I don't know if I mentioned it. Because like I said, yesterday was rush. You know how it is. You travel for 14 hours. You're tired. You know, from waking up, going to the airport, waiting in the airport, the flight, and then immigration and customs, and then, which was quick. It was so quick, I didn't even get to take my camera out. That's how fast it was in Montego Bay yesterday. I'm hoping they have the same thing. But yeah, and then KFC took forever. By the time I got my food, we were so hungry, we didn't even get time to record. Maybe we'll have just a little bit, yeah, just a little bit. But yeah, maybe today, I don't know. I still haven't got no juicy patties yet. Oh, Grandma, I could probably take you out to Juicy today. We never go Junction. But yeah, so this, like I said, this is what we're doing. Doing dishes, putting them away now. My mom getting on my uncle's nerves.
Some type of water.
He's,
I want to go to some type of water.
I'm probably going to go on a river before early morning. Tomorrow's Christmas Day, so tomorrow's a relaxed day. We could probably go down our river before we get into the day. I forgot it was Christmas because we're not in Jersey where it's cold. But yeah, my uncle is Mr. Fix-It for all his sisters. But my mom is the most annoying of them. Because she never wants to replace anything. And he needs telling her she needs to replace something. And she's asking, can she just replace one piece? After he said the whole thing needs to be replaced. But yeah, guys, we're in Jamaica. Obviously, like, we came. They're making so much noise. I'll be back. Because between her and my aunt, they're making too much damn noise. I'll be back. Look, Jada, come. Come say hi to the camera. Are you ready already?
Oh, no, we're ready for it. I'll go with you.
Look, home. Say hi. I'm about to get the light. But look, you didn't get to do this. You didn't get this part of the growing up in Jamaica either because you left early. So, yeah, you need to come back and go wash some plate and put it to.
No, I might not have experienced it here, but I did for Christmas.
With them in glass and
Many
them.
Christmas
One never broke.
in the basement, bringing up dishes.
Oh, in my
washing
house,
them,
yeah.
lining them up. So yes, I did get it.
I guess you did at my house, yes, I guess. In concept, yeah.
And whatever she eat out and put it down in the kitchen, she just put it down in the kitchen as well as so wash out your bowl.
Oh, it's the same thing. You know what else? You know.
Then they never did any time. Then the banana tree never did the time. Look here, you see it did there, look here, they tuck it in there so, and we dig out the tuck it then. And show them do this so now. We did care about that show, and we left it and then grow it.
Those tweeted.
And then grow it. I want to hope me a pray to God the plant in the day, I want to bumpy.
Oh, I guess I could start giving you back some of the plates. So let me pack those turn off now. And these bowls are. If we can't get the food from grandma, make it come spoil. So what they can't go put after I dry. I'm gonna start dry some my plate then. Put them on this side. On the bottom. Oh, I forgot about a whole thing for this, for the tracking. I forgot about a whole thing for it. Button. On the bottom.
Take them. Hey guys, it's me. Currently I don't have my glasses on. First day in Jamaica. Oh, don't look. We're gonna keep like this. You guys don't have to see my big forehead. My hair's not good. Working on it. Anyways, first day in Jamaica was good. I'm currently going to our room. I sleep in this bed. This one right here. See, charger right there, my bag, stuff like that. This is my bed. It was our first night in Jamaica, so don't get me wrong. But it was a nice sleep. I slept like through the whole entire night. I was like the first one to go to sleep because I was tired. My back hurt. What else to say? We went like for a long time. There was like mad stops. Yeah, I said mad, but I know my mom's not gonna like that. But there's a lot of stops where I was sitting in the car. It was not good for my back, so my back started hurting. Then I switched with grandma, and then I can actually relax, lay my back down, and not have it hurt. So I know where my seat in the car is now. But that's kind of all I gotta say. First day in Jamaica was good. Second day is today. This is where Miss Navia and Tara come in. My father is coming next week Monday. It's right here.
Go ahead and take everything. Hold on, camera for a hold it properly. Don't look a bit. I know you're tall, but yeah, that's good. Guys, you see these plates? These plates are from my grandfather. My grandfather died in 1986. Terrence, I want to see myself.
You look beautiful.
I want to see myself. My grandfather died in 1986 when I was 6 years old. I think I just told my age, but whatever. And these plates was from his house. These. She has this one and 4 of these. And Tissy, you're not holding the camera properly. You keep shaking. Jesus Christ. Go put on lotion, even though it's so hot. Terrence is playing around with me. So there's 4 of these and this. And let me show you what does she have from him that she refuses to get rid of. But I guess I understand why. Hold on. Okay. Oh. This old style teapot. See this? It's broken. And the top's missing. I was gonna throw it out, but she swears it's from him. I don't know about that. I don't remember this. I remember these, and there were some gold color ones that I bought some from at the thrift store just because of that. Because they reminded my grandfather. I bought some at the thrift store. This pot, I don't remember it. I do not remember this. So I don't fully believe her because I don't remember this. I remember washing all these things every Christmas. So I don't remember this.
Of course, that
Me don't remember this, where this come from.
Like the same place that we come from.
If she says so.
All the way
What?
that
You gonna do? You know? Oh, I forgot, Ricky. Get the box and get some water.
when you all, you know, and it's something I give trouble because it's a road there and it is still, so I mean say, sit when you put in a bathroom, just
Show you what it. You can try my hand over this side.
right?
Hmm?
And I start until it started.
So be careful. Because we have boiled water. That's normal. That is normal. Not everybody have hot water heaters out here. Unless you live in like the town area or you bought one. Pick up your cup. Put on your toothpaste with your hand and pick up your cup. Terrence is going to brush his teeth.
Oh, wait.
The Jamaican way. Come, Mish. Come. Now wet the tooth. Just throw some water on the toothbrush.
What do you think I meant? Please stop recording me. I know photography, the deportation is the thing, you know.
That's it, TC. Just for something. And that's it. Now you just brush your teeth out here. You rinse out your mouth and stuff.
I know. Okay, I get it.
Same thing.
I get it. Now, stop deportation.